What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul, and you are watching The Deal Finder. Tuesday, February 18th. Today's video, we have the flash deals for the week. Let's not waste any time and get into the video. And now, first up, we have the steel plant caddies that do come in a 2-pack directly in front of us. These are very heavy duty. They're made 100% out of steel. They also have heavy duty ball bearing casters on the bottom of them, which two of them do lock in place, which is nice. That way, when you set your planter on top, you can lock it in place. They're black. They have a beautiful weather resistant finish to them. They're 15 by 15 by 3 inches in height, which is a good size for each caddy. Now, keep in mind, when we do look at the price sign, it says this deal is valid to the 16th. Today is the 18th. They still have the sign up. That tells me they are going to continue this deal. They just haven't changed the sign yet. And then to my left, we have a 5-tier stackable planter by Multi. If you did want to purchase this item, you can actually stack it right on top of the caddies. That way you can maneuver it around. They have it on display here, except they only have a 3-tier on display. They don't have all 5 pieces. We can look at the box for a visual. Here it is, 15 inches by 15 inches by 26 3/4. Made out of recycled materials, all weather resistant, and this is very easy to assemble. Has this nice matte black finish to it, a 27 quart capacity as well. You do have to assemble it, but it's very easy, like I mentioned. $6 off the price, bringing it down to $23.99. So moving forward, if I do come across a product that's a similar price or the same price at Costco.com, I will mention it. Right in front of us, we have the Cuisinart Custom Select. This is their 2-slice toaster. It can handle 5 different bread types, which tells me those slots are nice and wide. It can handle bread, bagels, waffles, pastries, and English muffins. Has 5 different shade settings. It even has a nice defrost feature. Also has a nice high lift lever. That way you can remove the toast nice and easily. It's up high for you, which is nice. Has a beautiful stainless steel finish to it. They're taking $10 off the price, bringing it down to $29.99. Now this product is also available at Costco.com for the same exact price, $29.99. Next up, I do want to show you a deal from Costco's coupon book, their instant savings. Right in front of us, we have the iBuyPower, their Slate Mesh 8, their gaming desktop PC with the 14th generation Intel Core i9, a graphics card with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super, which is pretty awesome. Windows 11, 32 gigs of RAM with a 2TB hard drive. I always try to tell people, if you are going to buy a new gaming PC or a new PC, try to get the 4070 at the very least. $300 off, $1,399.99. Keep in mind, this already sold out at Costco.com. A special edition from Epson, we have their EcoTank ET2850. Now this is their all-in-one inkjet printer, and it does come with a bonus black ink bottle. We can see there on the box. Now what's special about this printer is not only is it an all-in-one printer, you can print, copy, and scan, but when you want to fill it up with ink, all you gotta do is pop it open, grab a bottle, and you fill up those chambers to our right. That's it. No more ink cartridges, no more toners. You just fill it up with the ink bottle. $50 off the price, $199.99. Another great deal from Costco's coupon book, we have the 3M replacement filters. Now these do come in a 4-pack. They have limited sizes available here at Costco at the warehouse. They're taking $10 off the price, $34.99. At Costco.com, it's only $5 more, but they have a variety of sizes available there. Much more selection, a much larger selection, excuse me. Now these do last up to 3 months. At Costco.com, they're $5 more, so they're $39.99. About a couple of weeks ago, I did pick up the Ninja Never Clog Cold Press Juicer. Here it is right in front of us. So far, so good. A 7 out of 10. Works very well. Easy to use, easy to clean. I've never used it to make big batches of juices, but I do use it to make wellness shots. So far, so good. Stay tuned for next week because I am putting out the top 20 best TVs you can purchase here at Costco. This would be one of them from LG. Actually, this is Costco's best-selling TV. We have the LG C4 series, their OLED TV. Look at the image quality, absolutely amazing. The top one is a 77-inch priced at $21.99. The bottom one is a 65-inch priced at $14.99. Both those TVs are from Costco's coupon book. And then to my left, we have LG's C4's biggest competitor. We have Samsung's S90D. We have the 77-inch at $21.99, and we have the 65-inch at $14.99. Both TV's picture quality is absolutely amazing. I do lean towards the LG C4 a little bit more, but both of them are absolutely amazing. Now keep in mind, what the beauty of these TVs is they do come with Costco's extended warranty from Allstate, the 3-year protection plan, so you do get a total of 5 years of coverage. Another great product from LG, we have their 32-inch ultra-fine 4K IPS monitor. If you don't play video games and you're not a gamer, this is probably the Costco's best bang for your buck. Their picture quality is absolutely amazing. 3840 by 2160 resolution, 60 hertz refresh rate. Check out that price, $259.99. You're not going to find a 4K monitor with an IPS display for that price anywhere. And here we have the very popular Vitamix. We have their Pro Blender. Now, I do get a couple comments. What's the difference between blending and juicing? Which one should I get? Well, it depends on your goals. If you're trying to lose weight like I am, I would definitely buy a blender. When you're blending whole fruits and vegetables, you keep the fiber, and that fiber is going to slow down the absorption of sugar in your bloodstream. Also, the fiber is going to keep you full longer. When you're juicing, you pretty much eliminate the fiber, and you're pretty much just drinking sugar. That's going to spike your insulin and then give you cravings. The Vitamix is also available at Costco.com for $319.99. Right in front of us, we have the NutriBullet Ultra. This is their deluxe single-serve blender. What's nice about this blender, it has a very strong motor, 1200 watts. Also, you get 4 cups. So you get 2 32-ounce cups, one 24-ounce cup, and then a travel cup that's also 24 ounces. So 4 cups in total here. They have it on display. Very nice looking unit. It's nice, slim, compact. If you don't need to make a lot of juice at home, this is a great size. $40 off the price, $79.99. Available at Costco.com for the same price. And directly in front of us, we have the Scotch floor protectors. We have 2 different versions available. We have the black ones, which are the heavy-duty grippers. Now, those come in a 10-pack. To the right of those, we have the protectors. Now, those are felt, those little circle ones. Now, those come in a 48-pack. Those are great to put underneath your chairs, underneath your table, so it doesn't scratch the floor. Also, it makes things a lot easier to move as well, which is nice. Now, these are going to be discontinued here at the warehouse. How do we know? Because we can see the star in the top right corner. They're giving us $3 off the price, bringing it down to $9.79. And now from Shark, we have their Flex Style. Now, this is their air styling and drying system built into one. You can style while you dry with no heat damage, which is pretty unique. They give you a bunch of different attachments. You even get 2 multi-style curlers, a diffuser, a concentrator, even a paddle brush, an oval brush, a fridge fighting tool, and a storage bag. You get it all here. Pretty unique product. The storage bag is included for easy and convenient traveling. They're taking $50 off the price, bringing it down to $249.99. And for the men, we have the Philips Norelco. This is their multi-groom, their ultimate precision all-in-one trimmer. Now, what I like about this trimmer, the blades are stainless steel. They're self-sharpening. You don't need any oil, which is great. It's 100% shower-proof, which is awesome. But what I don't like about it, there's no dock. They didn't give you a dock. I like how it has a nose trimmer as well. That's included, and it looks great. I wish there was a dock. They're giving us a $12 discount here. The price is $47.99. Available at Costco.com for the same price. And here we have the Philips Norelco shaver on sale as well, the 6900 series. Now this does have the Sense IQ and also has the Quick Clean Pod, which is nice. I like how it has that little stand. Now this has 45 steel precision self-sharpening blades, 90,000 cut actions per minute. We can see the pod right here. You can mount it right on top, which is nice. Now this does have a pop-up trimmer as well, just in case you want to trim your mustache or maybe cut your sideburns. It has a pop-up trimmer, $20 off the price, $79.99, available at Costco.com for the same price. Here we have the iRobot Roomba, the J6. This is their robot vacuum, has that auto empty dock, and we have one on display. Also, what's nice about this Roomba, it does link up to the app, which I like, has advanced sensors and a camera that allows your robot to detect and avoid any obstacles, whether it's small or large, which is pretty nice. Also, I like the base on this unit as well. Has a self-empty base that holds dirt and debris for up to 60 days. I like the larger capacity, which is nice. Now, they're taking $150 off the price, bringing it down to $349.99. It's available at Costco.com for the same price. We do have another option for a robot vacuum if you're interested. We have the Shark Matrix Plus. Now this also has a self-empty HEPA base, but this one is only a 30-day capacity. The iRobot Roomba was a 60-day capacity, so a little bit of a difference here. The Matrix Clean has a no spot multi-pass coverage. They're giving us a $90 discount here, $259.99. When it comes to golf products, the past 2 to 3 videos, I've been showing you some amazing deals you can find here at the warehouse. This would be another one from Adidas. We have the men's golf polo shirts. Now, the quality was below par, but for the price, it was pretty nice. I didn't like the logo. It wasn't embroidered on. It was a heat transfer. The material was a little bit too thin. But for the price, like I said, you really can't complain. If you need an extra shirt or a couple extra shirts, the color combos was pretty nice. So for $14.99, not too much to complain about. Pretty decent for the price, but the quality, just keep in mind, was a little bit below par. So our next product, here it is. This should be an online product only, a Costco Direct, but it's available at the warehouse. Now the top part flips up. It's a lift-up mirror with the LED lighting. Has 3 different settings, but they did do a poor job assembling it, so I couldn't flip it up completely. See, there it is. It's out of whack. Now it does have a built-in drawer you can pull out, which is pretty nice. Also, the bottom half of it, you pull it out and it turns into a stool. Now this is great for compact areas. Maybe you need something a little compact. A nice looking product here. Has a dovetail construction, a beautiful white paint finish to it. $100 off the price, $299.99. And next up from Delta, we have their children's dinosaur bookcase. Looks awesome, super cool. I do need a bookcase for my son's room, and I definitely wanted to pick this one up, but it's not functional enough. That's my only issue. It needs a little bit more functionality to it. Very cool unit here, super cool. I did want to buy it, very tempting, but it just needs a little bit more functionality. I may try to recreate it and build it myself. This is $20 off, $99.99. And now from Bayside, we have the Everly. This is their 72-inch accent cabinet. Okay reviews on it. Now Costco also did a poor job assembling this. As you can see, that door is pretty much hanging off. Well, I don't know if it's Costco, more the people. They're a little aggressive with using it. Tons of storage space. It's made out of popular solids and composite wood construction. Has birch veneers. $120 off the price, $349.99. And then to my left from Bayside, we have their infrared electric fireplace. This does have 1,500 watts, 5,200 BTUs, and it plugs into a standard 120 volts. Very nice looking fireplace. Has a glass on all 3 sides, so you can view the flame from all 3 sides, which is nice. Also, it's available at Costco.com. This is a clearance product here at the warehouse for $49.97. If you don't have time to head to the warehouse and purchase it, you can head over to Costco.com. It's on clearance there as well. $49.97. Another Ninja product on sale, we have the Ninja Dual Brew here. They're extra large. Now, you can do grounds and you can do pods with this. You can do either or. So if you want to make coffee with grounds, you can do that. If you want to make a pod coffee, you can do that as well. You can even make iced coffee. So you can do everything with this. Pretty unique product. Now, the coffee maker does a 14-cup coffee, or you can do a single serve with the pods. Pretty nice. Now, you have 10 different brew sizes and 4 traditional pod sizes as well. Here, we can have a look at it. Now, you can even do iced coffee, which is pretty cool. Now, they are giving us a discount here. Let me zoom in for you. They're taking $30 off the price, bringing it down to $89.99. Now, just give me one moment to head right up the aisle here. We're going to go have a look at the Magna Cart next. Now, this is the Magna Cart personal hand truck. I did purchase this the other day. It's so compact and so small. I just grab it, throw it in my truck. I leave it there. Anytime I have something big or something heavy to carry, I can just open it up and maneuver it pretty easily. I like it. I got to admit, I like it. It's not the biggest unit, but if you do have to carry something, this will save your back. $6 off, $23.99. And the Quaker Oats has slipped through the cracks. I don't know how that happened, but we do have the variety pack here, the flavored variety pack of instant oatmeal, 9 grams of sugar per serving, 52 packs totals, apple and cinnamon, 15 packs, maple and brown sugar, 27, and then cinnamon and spice, 10 packs, so a total of 52 packs. Now, there's no need to look at the macros. They're pretty much all the same here. Let's have a look at that price tag. $2.20 off, $8.79. Now, this deal is valid to the 23rd. Last week, I did put out a Costco new arrival video. If you haven't watched that, make sure to watch it at the end of this video. We have Tramontino's cast iron 12-inch covered skillet here. Pretty nice looking skillet. I like it a lot. The problem is the last time I bought their Dutch ovens, the enamel on the outside started chipping like crazy, and it's only a year old, so that's pretty disappointing. But I do love this design. I even love this design because it matches their new Dutch ovens. So if you haven't seen those, check them out. Pretty nice looking skillet here, $39.99. And let me quickly just show you another new arrival that I like from Lutech. This is our 12-inch wall light, a beautiful farmhouse style to it. It's a nice matte black to it. It has a bright warm light, 1200 lumens. We can have a look at that now. You can see it there. Now what's nice about this light is that lumens does reflect off the copper accent, which is on the underside of this lamp, which is pretty cool. We can see it there, that beautiful copper color. Has that nice glow to it. Also has a nice dusk to dawn sensor, so it comes on and off automatically, and it does include a nice quick connect for easy installation, $24.99. Hang tight, friends, the video is almost over. I do want to head to the front of the store. I have a couple of more deals I do want to show you. If you are new to the channel and you're enjoying today's video, make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you do want to support the channel. It doesn't cost anything to hit that thumbs up button. Thank you for the support. I appreciate it. Right in front of us, we have the Airwick scented oils. You get 9 refills and then you get 1 warmer, $13.49. We also have the Lysol disinfectant wipes, the value pack here. Pretty nice discount on these as well. $3 off the price. You get a 4 count, $10.99. And then to my right, we also have the dish soap available as well. This is another great discount here, $2.50 off. It's 102 fluid ounces here, so it is a massive bottle. But wait till you see the price with that $2.50 off discount. Another great deal. We have the palm olive here. Now a lot of people like it, a lot of people don't. It's pretty tough on your hands, but it does cut grease pretty good. $2.50 off, $6.49. And finally, for our dishwasher at home, we have the Cascade Platinum Plus here. 81 capsules we get, so a total of 81. This is the fresh scent, 2 times the scrubbing power. Another great discount here, $4.80 off the price, $13.69. All right, friends, ending the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification. If you want to support us, all we ask is for you to hit that thumbs up button or leave a comment below. Let us know if you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to follow us over on Instagram as well at Watch the Deal Finder. Anyways, friends, tomorrow's video for the 19th, we are going to cover the 10 best deals available here at the warehouse for February. So stay tuned for that video next. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video, friends. Peace.